Hi everybody, it's Teresa again. This time I'm going to go over the ClickBank. Alright, if you want to sell a product off ClickBank, how to become an affiliate. You would make up an account nickname and a password, log in, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to the account settings and you'll enter in their information. And then you can go to your marketplace. Once you do the account settings, okay, you're going to go to marketplace. Then over here, you're going to see tons of different categories, okay? Now let's see here. Parenting, families, language, health and fitness, education, cooking, food, wine, arts and entertainment. I'm going to choose that one. Okay. Now, when you're on here, you're going to find sort results by popularity or gravity. I was once told gravity. Okay. Because it has the highest average sale what you're going to be making. Okay. So, initial sales $23.15. They normally sell about 58% of it when someone views it. So you're going to make $23.15 per sale. Okay. Now you can click on the affiliate page. I just chose anyone. And each one has their own affiliate program. So what you do is you click on it. It tells you about the program and you sign up. Okay. Okay, or you can go back. So you're at the marketplace, you did gravity, you can just click promote. What's nice about ClickBank is you do not have to promote it no other way. Okay, you just promote, it puts in your thing, you can do one if you want to, generate hot links. It gives you a link, okay? You're going to copy it, and then you would put it into your Weebly website. This is where it was froze at me, my last video. But what you would do is you would put it just right inside of a button. And let me show you. On my art page, in my other video, I showed you how to do Amazon links, which was this one. But you would do the same thing for ClickBank. So you would save the photos same way. But what's nice is ClickBank gives you lots of, each affiliate owner of this product is giving you many affiliate links and freebies to share with people. And you click on your button. You do the link, and then this is my link for my ClickBank. Okay, so if anybody clicks on this, buys it, then you would get a commission of that percentage. Okay, and like I said, there's so many. There's different languages. There's body art, dance, fashion, film, humor, magic tricks, music, radio, just all kinds of different things that you can just promote. And on this, you can do it with Craigslist, classify ads. I have all those videos on my channel for you to be able to learn how to just share those things and share that link. When you share that link, you'll make a commission. Bottom line, if you see something that you want to share about animals, I have a lot of friends that have dogs, or I have a friend whose daughter is a hairdresser. If she finds products that she wants to use, or green products, parenting, the health, let's see, the health and fitness one. You can click on that. Foods, how to stop eating, and there's many of them. I mean, you can just jump pages and look you know, how to acid reflux. If you want to, let's see here. I'm going to do this for somebody. MS. The highest converting MS site for CB. Let's see here. That's probably CBD. Oh, no. That helps overcome MS safely and naturally. Proven MS treatment by Dr. Gary Levin. Just different things. Unlimited ebook creator, Amazon Kindle, Word. Maybe it has something about MS, or it just ends up, that's it. So there's a few here for MS. I'm going to give this shout out to my cousin. She can click promote. Her name will show up here because she did her information. You can also get direct deposit or pay. You can earn 50% commission for every customer you refer to this product. Get started by creating a hyperlink. So generate hyperlink, and there you go. It's right there. And you would copy it and put it onto your Weebly website. Alright guys, so check it out. Hope this helps somebody make a little extra money. Alright, please don't forget to help me out in return and like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It's just how this social media thing works. I'm learning, and I will be glad and happy to do the same for you. Just message me. You can find me either on my dentalindexjunior.weebly.com website that I've made strictly for dental assistant students and assistants if they want to switch the field, because we're not taught everything in school. And I also have a dental professional website, which is the dentalindexjunior.weebly.com. So you drop the junior, and that is for all dental professionals to have a good laugh, or if they want to get scrubs, you know, because it does help me out, which I am semi-retired because of my fibromyalgia. So I can relate with people who have health issues, and how it's just good to put it out there for other people to read and learn and understand. So if there's any doctors that would like to sponsor me, or vendors, that'd be great. I can always use dental supplies for teaching and for helping others. Take care, and see you at the next video. Bye.